Hey guys, as I was going through my box of parts in my shed, I realized I had these adjustable sway bar end links, they're for the rear. And I said to myself, they've been sitting in that box for way too long, so I decided to install them today, and really straightforward actually. At the same time, decided to clean up some of the grime and dirt here on the coilover, and also some on the rear control arm. This adjustable rear end link, it came with its own hardware, and really it's quite simple to install. It literally took a few minutes. I don't know who they're made by. I'm not sure the history on them, but I bought them from another 928 owner, and he was clearing out some parts and I bought them from him. So I'll be interested to see how the car performs with them. But they get rid of the rubber dog bones at either end, and it's all a Heim joint, as you can see there, and also up here. And then this bracket up here, I powder coated actually a while back. It was a bit rusty when I got it. Cleaned it up, and yeah, and so here we have it. So pretty nice part, and you can see the original ones are here, and they were in pretty good shape actually. Nothing really wrong with them, but yeah, the rubber was actually in pretty good shape, and they were overall in decent shape. So here's the left and right one, and yeah, so we'll keep working on the car and making some progress, and I'll keep sharing with you. Hope you enjoy it, and we'll talk to you guys later. Hope you're having a good weekend. Bye bye.